financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Yo. I think London session is pretty much clear. DXY is still falling, which is interesting. That's obviously going to support gold and silver, but let's see what's going on exactly. Oh, a bunch of highs over here, silver there, EU here. I don't see there being much to actually trade, in all honesty. I was so close to taking it out. It did get taken out here. The short would have been around here. Way too big. Gold is outperforming silver at the moment. Would have been much better if I took the gold trade, but yeah, it's fine. We're back in £300 profit, which is brilliant. But it would have been much better if I... So I did take a trade on gold around here. Where was it? I don't even remember. I chilled out of it straight away because I had too much exposure, but because I had another position, I bought all the over here, so once I come back to break even, I just kind of closed out that position because it's kind of an expensive position. If I didn't have that, I could have held the gold on and that would have been good, to be fair, but it's fine. Okay, let's look at gbpchf then. So that fell off quite a bit here. Does that come into any interesting levels? think I see something right here. That's a good shot actually as well. 5115. 5115 is right there. Okay. Might still be GBPCHF shorts as well if we're gonna keep seeing weakness in the dollar. I think it's gonna collapse to below 95 to be honest. I expect it seeing going down to like 93, 94. And if it does find support, it probably will be around the 90 level, because then that might be cheap enough where Trump's getting loads of business but he's not losing loads of value either, if that makes sense, in the thingy. I'm wondering, should I add a couple of short positions just to sell it back down to here? I'm not sure. We're at midline of Asia. I'm just gonna bounce from here and keep going up. %, 1 point, yeah. Silver's gonna catch up anyway, so there's no point being worried. What about 99.50? It's not worth getting the stuff from America. It's better just keeping it or buying it from UK suppliers. I'm thinking, is it worth me adding a position or not? I'm not sure. I'd rather wait for it to drop and then add another position in all honesty. Gold is still doing really good compared to silver. No clean bloody entry there. What about a CHF? Made. Okay, did take these lows. You could say that's a breaker structure. If you do, it tagged pretty much instantly. Couldn't have taken that, so there's a no-go from there either. GUEU still having a bit of a fall off, which is fine because it's just collecting all this here to go higher, which is fine if you're trying to still stay long. And then you've got the Frankfurt high available still there if you manage to get a confirmation on reversal anyway. My day's 200 pip move, missed entry, welcome to trading day. Whoa, why is your moderator badge different? That looks cool. It looks different.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yeah, that looks cool. I don't know if you've seen the Discord or not, but I'm in a very... Where your knife? What do you mean my knife? Do you mean spanner? I'm in a massive move on silver, by the way. I'm up 880 pips on this move, 630 pips on this move. And this is on the personal account, yeah, that I've put 480 into. And I made 65% on it. Now it's dropping down a bit, so I'm going to keep adding more in. I was in gold, but I had too many positions open. And because it's a personal account, I didn't really want to have too much exposure in it. So yeah. So a massive move on there. Massive move. If I can make enough money on this account, bro, I'll be able to order the computer parts just from this account, hopefully. That's the goal anyway. If I can turn this 500 and now it's 515. If I can turn it into about 1100, 1200, that's enough, bro. For me to I want to see silver keep pushing higher. What did you send to me? What did you send to me?
To get to the money at all times. I went to sleep 3 a.m. I was back up at 6:30. Excited. No excuses. My bad. Yo, shut the fuck up and let's get to the money, man. Don't be scared.
I like that. That's funny, bro. That's funny. Shut the let's get to the money, man. Let's get to the money. That was good. I like that. That was good. Oh man. That was good. Today might be a bit more trickier because it's FOMC later on today. I'm trying to hold these positions for as long as I can. Why small damage to your capital? What happened? What you do wrong? Oh, why? Why? What happened? I think we're gonna get UJ shorts in a moment, bro. I took my money and wee. Yesterday was very volatile. We've seen a lot of selling of the pound, the dollar, excessive amounts of selling. I even put in the Discord as well the interview of what someone asked Trump here that, oh, the dollar's falling. He goes, yeah, it's doing good, it's doing great, we're doing great business. Obviously, he's trying to basically say, I'm happy in it. I'm happy that the dollar is dropping, and makes sense, to be honest, man. He obviously wanted a weaker dollar in it, so this is working out perfect for him. As we can see today, silver is playing catch up with gold. So yeah, I mean, just if I did hold that position, where was it? It was around here. It was around here. Yeah, it would have been a nice move. Silver's pushing up again. Yay, thank you. It took this lower and then pushed up, hopefully. I need to see it like create a strong body close above there for it to then come back up towards this high. There you go, silver's going for it again. Happy days. Which trade did that happen in? Tell me which trade. What did you do? What were you doing? What happened? David, where was the trade and stuff that you took? Tell me. No, you said the one where you lost the money. Which one? I want to know. Okay, got ya. You mean you're looking for EU buys now or later? Also, you see how I was correct on EU buys yesterday? You see, I was so correct. You see. Never forget the power of invalid zones on 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, I know, big move, I know. If I nah, I didn't catch a clean entry. I didn't catch a clean entry on it, so I didn't really take it. So yeah, but I don't mind, did it? Okay, go. EU still dropping down. Let's keep an eye on the gen pairs as well. I want to short UJ if it comes out and takes that high. I want to go short. And then hopefully that would be the wick of the high, and then hopefully, or just keep pushing higher. Go to like 96.5 and then start rejecting and pushing back down. That's what's it. I just need a bit of a move, to be fair. For you. So if I was to order from these guys, I'd probably get it pretty quickly. Yeah. And I could build it all up. Woo. And then just get the graphics card later. Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. For the GPU, I'm still struggling to find a solid deal, man, on the GPU. And it's gonna take like 3-4 weeks to get here as well. I really want to get the CPU soon, man. There's nothing much happening in the markets at the moment. Let's keep waiting. Okay, bless you. Many good moves but no clean entries. Yeah, this does happen in a very volatile market, and the issue you have is, yeah, you know, if you chase price and you start market executing, bro, and you see that price is flying in one direction, I think some prop firms don't allow you to trade that because that's called there's a name for it, where price is absolutely melting. You just keep selling as it's melting. I don't know what it's called. It's not one-sided betting. I don't think it's one-sided. I think one-sided betting is when you only take buys or shorts in one direction. I forgot the name for it. David boy, I forgot the name. I can't remember. But you know, this is why I like setting limits. When you set limits, yeah, it doesn't let you chase price. Like, you have to wait, innit? But as I said, I think UJ shorts are looking nice. Once you sweep these highs, I might try and catch a UJ short. I probably will take it on my account as well, including the personal account. I'll probably risk 10% because I'm floating 60%, so I don't mind risking 10% because I'm floating 60. And then if I catch another 10R on that, then I just made 100% on the account. If I catch 10R, it depends on UJ and the yen and stuff like that. I mean, I would prefer that the dollar drops even more, of course, and then that benefits us, obviously. But we'll see in it. 0.32. But CHF coming down, tagged into the supply zone, coming down. So we should still see, yep, there you go, USD yen falling down as well, gbpjpy falling down as well. Perfect, that's fine. This is good because I can use GBP CHF to figure out if it's a safe haven related issue or if it's a dollar strength issue or whatever reason, you know. I should have entered in here, man. I just wanted it to drop a bit more around here, and that's gonna enter in around here off of the midline of Asia with the 0.6 lot, no 0.06. So that move from here to here would have been about £150, but it just missed me. And I don't mind if it does drop down, because I can just eat into my open profits of it, like my open balance profits anyway, and then wait for it to push back up again. So what are you looking for now then? You're looking for longs now on EU or what? I'm preferring longs on EU. Okay, London open. Oh, is London open? 1 minute. Ah, look. GU come up and took these highs. It's gonna probably keep going down if it does the London open manipulation move anyway. So it's come up, taking all these highs. Now, if it keeps going down, break structure, tags the supplies, then you can take a short. Euro should be the same. Not really. Yeah, true. But on Euro, build up, sweet. We just need to see clean bullish price action. Don't forget market. I don't know. It's up to the market. Yeah. Also be careful because it is FOMC, so price might be a bit more confusing or whatever. My alert happened. Short UJ bastard. Perfect. Let me just pull out all my time. Quickly. Because I really want to take a UJ short. I think a UJ short's a brilliant idea. Talking about 0.9 as well, which is okay. And then we've got Frankfurt low down here. If you get clean price action, I hope you do, man, because then I could swing this position through FO. I don't know, that might be too risky, man. USD JPY being holding through FOMC would be very risky because the yen is the opposite of the dollar, so it'd be a very volatile move. Nah, I don't know. I'd have to see. I'd have to see how it works. So we're creating the first supply zone slowly. Just get the short position tool ready. Let's do 4.5. Okay, so first of all, we got a lot of volume. That is London open, so it's fine. Let's just see what price action is gonna do. If it's gonna drop down or not. If it does, then that'd be brilliant. And then even pounds rejecting off of Asia midline as well on the M5. You can see that rejection. We got all the wicks on the top side. We've only got one on the bottom for London Open. But did it sweep anything important? You could say this little, damn it, this little channel here. And then we've got all of these highs to attack. I would prefer that the midline holds and then we can short. So I do want GJ to kind of like keep rejection off of the midline is what I would like. But that might be more of a dollar weakness issue than what to say, man. Look, EUGU pushing up, beautiful. UJ coming down. London Open set them lows. It took those highs. I don't like that. I need price to come take London high. The 1 minute open high it made. I needed to take that and fly up, and then I can short UJ then. Bro, see you later. Peace. Yeah, bye, Divi. Thanks for coming. Hit like. Thank you. Gold is still going up, man. Gold is still going up. Silver is like come on, see what you got. Tag deep into that demand zone. Oh, it's a big SL, a really big SL. Ah. If it drops now, it'd be much better given a tighter supply zone.
South Korea presidential advisor says Besant's earlier comments on one reflects the view that Korea's investment might become difficult if it raises anxiety in the FX market. And South Korea presidential advisor hopes that Korea's US investment bill will be passed in February. EU Foreign Policy Chief Callas says,
Your behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real-time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
And Kala says, Europe no longer Washington's primary center of gravity, and the shift is structural, not temporary.
Oh, UJ did a nice move into the supply zone. If it breaks down now, that'd be brilliant. And silver's pushing back up as well. That's good. The gold's coming down, silver's going up. It's probably gonna start leveling out, maybe. We could start seeing some pushes from silver. But I really wanted to drop down here and tag my other entry, which is a 0.5 lot, 0.05. No, 0.04. Yeah. 0.04. There you go. You just probably coming down. Lovely. Lovely, 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 lovely. I'll take a 6-pip move if I have to, man. Slightly bigger than what I prefer, but completely valid. 7, 10, or 4 off. I ain't got time for that. Just gonna close it and reopen it. There you go. That's better. And she was 650. So yeah, can do that. Yeah, that can work. Big gaps and stuff like that. I like it a lot. take that zone out, and then hopefully give us a nice push. And then
Denmark's PM
Sure.
Fredrickson says, "We will try to find a way forward with the US. We share concerns on Arctic security."
Just needed to break structure and give a clean zone, and then I'm good to go with that. Got funded next account ready as well. Just check something quick. That's not really a good break, is it? But I suppose 0.4 pips, yeah, sure, why not? Can't take that. It's literally broken, tagged straight back in. That's the only zone. But I would prefer a bit more cleaner of a break, man, not something so confusing. That's much better. Oh damn it! That might just completely go. Ah. Damn it! If it touches the invalid zone, I'm cooked. And it looks like it's gonna touch it. Nah, can't take it now. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Typical. If you've just done this one candle and then that candle and then slowly done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backwards, given an entry, then just melted through that level, then it would at least given an entry under break even into an invalid zone in the hopes I'd fail straight away. And that, yeah, to be fair, it could even be the case where it could have tagged the invalid zone, tagged my break even, took me out, take the high I've entered off of, and then drop down again, to be fair. So yeah, could have worked both ways, I guess. It is what it is. Cancel the limit. Gold still going up. Silver struggling here, which is interesting. Yo, Demon!
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Just in the silver long, bro. I kind of wish I didn't hold my gold positions, but there's just too much exposure for the account. If I had a bigger account, it would have been okay.
South Korea's Kim says FX volatility could affect fund flow under Korea-US Memorandum of Understanding.
What are you doing, D? What are you looking at? So would have swerved the entry anyway after tagging the invalid zone. I wanted to show UJ, but it come into an invalid zone, so somewhat annoying. Beautiful reaction there, London Open after taking the highs. created equal lows, come tagged into supply zone, broke structure, volume came in, then it tagged the invalid zone, so I couldn't take the entry. But yeah, I really wanted that trade. But person was doing well though, D. I'm up about 50-ish%. No. My initial balance was 480. I'm up to 90. That's about 60% increase. Come on, Silver, keep pushing up. Give us a nice move. Or drop down, tag my third entry. Come on. Drop down. Tag my third entry, let's go. Ah, there you go. There you go. Lovely move. Where is gold? Yeah, just keep following gold. And doing nice movies. I wanted it to come down to 113,400 because I had the 0.04 lot there. So I just wanted to catch like a move from like here to here, but I'm not really come down enough. What's your opinions on gold and silver? I suppose bullish, innit? FMC is going to be interesting. I'm going to watch that in the Discord probably or something. Can't be asked to set up live streams for FOMC. There you go. We're back into a floating profit of £300. Awesome. So I'm about 65% up. I think he's gonna say we're not cutting rates because growth is absolutely good, inflation is high but it's not a concern, employment isn't really much of a concern, but the growth of the economy is more than enough to keep rates where they are, and there's no reason to cut. That's what I think. And he doesn't want to cut because Trump's been on his ass. That's what I think. Now, that could give support to the dollar and help dollar push up, which Trump doesn't like, obviously. But it might he might even do something like, if he wants to please Trump and get Trump off his back, he might even do something we're not prepared and do something like, yeah, we're gonna do a cut anyway, just because the economy is growing really well, growth is really good, employment's not so bad, but we do need to stimulate it. So we're just gonna do a rate cut to help with the inflation, because it is slowly coming towards our 2% target. So we're gonna cut the rate more as a risk management cut, not a fearful cut, to help stimulate the employment side of things. You might say that. If he says that, I think the market is going to drop even more because they're not really expecting that. I think the market is expecting a rate hold because of the growth and stuff like that. That's what I think. But I could be wrong. You never really know, innit? Because they see data points that we don't see. Because obviously they got all of the Fed employees working, getting data points of employment and all these things, credit card debts and all this stuff. So they might even see something we don't really know. And you might mention it in the press conference about, you know, oh, we looked at credit cards or something like that. There's a lot of people getting in debt. We need to cut rates to help them get employed or something like that. I don't know. But from what I know, yeah, I think it's more likely to hold. The cut will be surprising. but more likely to hold. And then I'm expecting Trump to make a press conference. Oh, I don't like him. We need to speed up the investigation. We need to speed up his dismissal. Oh god. And then gold and silver are gonna fly even more because they're gonna go back into war mode again. I did put a link in the Discord for Funding Next having a discount for 20% off. I don't know when you're thinking about getting an account. If it is soon, then you might want to consider that. If not, then it doesn't matter. No, it won't fly because everyone's kind of expecting a hold anyway. Because of the growth data and stuff like that. They're kind of expecting a hold, I think. I feel. Bro, my dad's got this one pirate, bro. He keeps flipping, squawking, and I want to snap his little neck. Oh my god, it's so annoying. I can't focus, bro, if there's noise going on. It has to be like peaceful and stuff like that for me to focus, and I can't when I got this bloody arse rat face thing. Squawk, squawk, squawk. It's like nails on a flipping chalkboard. I hate pirates. I hope they die. Shittest animal made by God. So we've come up, taken that level, broke structure there, slowly doing a corrective move into the demand zone. I'd love to see a solid push up again. That would be really nice. GJ still falling, UJ still falling. It would have tagged the entry here, but I wouldn't have taken it anyway. I would not have taken that. But I want to keep an eye on it and just see where it goes. I think it's going to keep going higher. Because for an invalid zone to fail, it normally needs to... For an invalid zone to fail, it needs to either take this high, or take this high to fuel the move down to take that invalid zone out. So, either this zone's gonna fail or this zone's gonna fail, and then after taking these zones it should drop down. Is there anything else you're looking at? Yen pairs or anything like that? Oof. GBPCHF, man, for your. No, GBPCHF is doing a move. Nothing clear for me. Yeah. Was there any clean moves for the yen? Suppose on pound yen, there's an entry right here at London Open, but you would have needed to cover the highs because obviously 4.7, probably done 5.5 off. That would have been so close with spreads. Oh, and spreads right now are 5 and 6. Ooh, that would have probably tagged SL. Ooh, 0.7. Yeah, that might have been an L on GJ actually, if I would have taken it. And let's look at GCHF. Oh, yo, that's a nice move that is. I'd still want to short this. I would still very much want to short GCHF. Lovely channel going on right there. Ultimately, dollar goes down, CHF yen goes up. Generally speaking, I like the look of that. GU, man, I don't really know, man. I like that you've got volume on the upper side from this move in London, but then we corrected very, very gradually. I need to see another momentum-based move again. But I do like the fact it's building a bit of a channel. Let price accelerate through that level. Are you gonna watch the FOMC meeting or not? Because it's like 9, 10, 11 o'clock at night for you guys. Are you gonna watch it or not? Oh. Ah, look, it took them zones. Okay, time. That's fine. I think silver might consolidate for a while. I don't want to hold this all the way through there without taking any type of partials, man. I wanted to take partials on it, innit, before going into FOMC. I just, hard to say. Wow,
GBPUSD
GBPCHF.
is one element that will guide policy. Dollar drops, sign of US unpredictability. No target for euro exchange rate. And the ECB is closely monitoring the euro and effect on inflation.
This might push silver into my entry. Let's get my phone out really quick.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Buying. I'm buying it on the way down. And the targets are the 117 high as the first partial zone, and then 120 and 122. Because I think silver's gonna hit 120, 122 to be honest. I'm just looking for the pullbacks and then just enter off of them after the move. If I was on M5, I would have sold over here, but I woke up a bit late in it, so I didn't realize it started to move from here. With it broke structure, tagged into a supply zone, broke structure again, starting to show bearish order flow. Push down a bit more, man. I've moved my entry to here. Now I've done 0.05, so slightly bigger. I don't know if that's gonna be too far down. Maybe if I do 200. Yeah. I'll leave the limit here and see what happens.
CDW expectations prior 6.2, and Italian consumer confidence forecast 96.9 prior 96.9.
96. Let's see how that goes then. And then what was the news? They said something about DXY. Euro is an element that will have policy. Inflation. Dollar drop is a sign of US unpredictability. Yes, it is. Finance minister. Yeah, nothing to say don't long it. So I'm gonna stay in that. I don't see anything to go against it, so I'm gonna stay in the idea of holding longs. So basically, I had a few longs on gold as well, all the way down here. The value was history. XAU is 50, 63, and 5,007. No, it's not right. Was it only one trade I had on gold? Yeah, it was only the one. 50.63 I had the entry, so 50.63. Oh, why didn't it? And it's on the dot. So it's 50.63 on the dot. And it was 0.03 lots. But I had 4 trades open on silver. One was at 110. That was in a really big drawdown. And I took this entry here and this entry here. So I closed out the golden as soon as it got to break even because I realized my margin was too exposed. So because the margin was too exposed, I had to obviously reduce it by taking gold out at break even. And when I got to the 110 entry, when I made like $5-10 profit or £5-10 profit, I closed that out in profit as well. Just so then if you do get any deeper pullbacks, I can scale into those. Instead of buying high basically. So yeah, I'd rather have the flexibility on the lower side, if that makes sense, for drops to buy into. Yeah, I've been holding since here's when I took the trade yesterday 3 o'clock. I'm close to getting triggered on another position, which is 0.05 lot. What's massive? Yeah, this is a big trade, bro. Look, I'm up 869 pips here and 611 on this. No clean trade there. But what it did do is lower high, lower equal low, so lower low, lower high, higher low, broke structure there, tagged into there. No, not really that clean at all, in all honesty. So I'm just trying to get another position around here. And how much percent can we
At
draw?
4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Italian manufacturing business confidence forecast 89, prior 88 spot 4, and Swiss ZEW expectations, prior 6 spot 2.
Close to tagging it. I'm just moving it more and more down to get a sharper entry. Now I've caught a big move on this, bro. I've caught a massive move. 10% move I basically caught. Now I'm waiting for a pullback to hop back into it again. I'm just trying to figure out where to put the entry though, innit? I'm setting it at 100. I feel like it's gonna drop more. So I'm setting it there. Okay, now we've taken out all these highs. Are we gonna short now on USD JPY? That's 2,000 pips. Yeah, I know, big move. You can do moves like that when you use fundamentals, bro. It'd be good if I see another push down on dollar, to be honest. Then go from here. But that move is 1,500 pips to 120 is 1,000. Well, 125 is 1,534
1 minute remaining. With
pips.
Swiss ZEW expectations.
It'd be great if I could just make enough to get this computer, bro. The GPU and CPU, that's all I'd really prefer out of all of this.
Italian consumer confidence 96.8, 96.8. Manufacturing business confidence 89.2, 89.2. Swiss ZEW expectations -4.7, -4.7.
This is gonna be a boring stream. I'm angry, I'm bored, man. Find something to talk about or something, man. I need entertainment. I'm dying over here. Boring day, yeah, FOMC in it. And like when moves are happening, they're happening like with volume and like conviction. God damn it, I've been listening to Miko too much and never use the word conviction. The moves are moving with conviction. Wait, can I imitate Miko? I can imitate Miko, yeah. Okay, so because you got the prior highs right here, because I got to do the hands in it, and it's late today. What do you mean it's late? It's only 9 AM. The news. Oh yeah. The thing is, you know, with the trading days like this, yeah, so many times I thought I'm not gonna trade because there's gonna be no moves, and then a move ends up happening. You're better off just sitting and looking in case it does happen. If it doesn't, fine. If it does, at least you were there. Even if you missed it, at least you were there. Yeah, I just don't really have time to go because the time he streams and stuff like that. But yeah, you stay streaming, I think. Not every day though. He's not streaming every day, I don't think. I'm not seeing the streams every day. Let's have a look. Nothing scheduled as of yet for today. Oh, oil, yes. WTI. Actually, where should we put it? I want to keep the DX right there. Let's go. M5 on here. Get rid of that. Bring that over here. Keep it. Okay, so UTI 1 day. Oh my god, that's looking good, bro. Yo, Mwangi, that's not looking bad at all. That right now would be floating 1.3R and it peaked at 1.4. That's not bad. I'm not in here. Yeah, Haroon, morning, bro. Morning.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Yeah, but the issue is it's I think it's going up, yeah. It's going up alongside nat gas, isn't it? It's going up alongside nat gas, and the warship being in the Iranian, being in the Persian Gulf as well. You know how the USA sent that warship. That was what, 3-4 days ago? 3-4 days ago. 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably 3 days ago. Probably would have been the Friday, which has had that massive candle coming out there. Maybe. Do you know the thing with oil and stuff like that? I don't want to trade it on technicals. I want to trade it on fundamentals, bro. There has to be like a geopolitical or a fundamental reason for it. Yeah, I know they want to bully Iran, yeah. But the issue is politics, innit? Because the Arabs don't really want... Yeah, Iranians are cutthroat killers, bro. Like, what I mean by that is if you mess with them, they're gonna fight back. Like, they're not cowards. Like most Muslims are cowards, innit? They're not. They're not cowards. But I can say with the Arab leaders, they don't really want America to have Iran, because then it causes truly problems for their influence in that region, as in the Arab influence being the main power in that region. If America goes in there, they're just going to strip away the Arab rights and then basically say, look, you Arabs shut up and listen to us. So I think that's why Saudi was speaking to Khamenei, the president of Iran, probably on behalf of the supreme leader, to reach support, because normally the Arabs and Iranians don't really get along. for historical reasons. So I think there's a bit of politics going on there. I think that's why it'd be difficult for America to attack and take control of Iran, because Saudi and all those countries will probably be against the idea of it. Okay, we've had a massive
According
drop
to
there.
CCTV, British Prime Minister Starmer arrives in Beijing.
Another 0.03. There. So I stuck another 0.03 in there at, what price was that at? 141. Yeah, 141. There you go. So one of the 0.03 sat there. So let's see how that 0.03 is gonna help. Yeah, oil is looking nice though. Gold's coming down as well. That's fine, I don't mind. I should have opened 0.02, I did 0.03 instead by accident, to be fair. But I think I've got enough floating margin and stuff anyway, so it should be okay. Harun, what are you looking at? Said Mwangi. Where the hell is Francis? The asshole. Nothing much yet. Yeah. I'm just gonna get rid of that. Watching go see what's playing at. Yeah. Yeah, let's look at Do Prime. First use chat GPT. Yeah. Honest assessment of Do Prime, also seen as D Prime, is considered reputable, especially for UK clients, based on regulatory information. Regulation is the broker band is not regulated. Oh, it's not directly regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. Oh shoot. As a UK broker entity for retail clients, independently review sites regulator aggregators note that the main trading entities under D Prime are licensed in jurisdictions like Mauritius and are considered offshore regulators with lower oversight standards compared to UK EU. Okay. The UK based company is a broader of Do Group, which is Do Clearing Limited, which is FCA authorized, okay, as a liquidity provider rather than a full retail broker. But this does not mean do promise that. Okay, so they're not regulated, but the other businesses are regulated, who are the liquidity providers. That's dodgy because they can manipulate the market. Offering CFD services, UK submitted products, including UK. These claims are non-sister implementations. Would not receive FCA protections up to 85 grand. So that's a concern there. Fair point. On Trustpilot, 3.1 out of 5 on Trustpilot. That's not that good. Slow withdrawals, support issues, complaints. Pros, they offer MT4, MT5. Segregate client funds, so per marketing claims. Okay. Okay, so how do they compare? How? Okay, so I see markets as ASIC regulations, type 1 and type 2 regulations. Do doesn't. But I want to know the UK broker they use, man, for IC markets. It's raw limited, raw trading limited, something like that.
China approves orders of over 400,000 NVIDIA H200 chips.
Raw trading limited. Okay, established in 2007. Let's do side-by-side comparison. So they have more regulations in Europe. IC markets does. Genuinely solid and long-standing, whereas mixed reviews for do. Traders' feedback mixed with shares of negative reports, positive. Mostly positive. IC market seems better than them. What about capital protection? GPT with all the answers. Yeah, raw trading limited. Yeah, I got my phones out straight away. CMK, I don't use IC markets. Yeah, I think it's good if you pull the money out straight away. But if you're gonna trade long term, you want someone that can have a few hundred grand in an account within it. Okay, FCA UK regulation, not really for any of the two. Segregated client funds, yes for IC, claimed but it varies on do. Negative balance protection, yes on IC markets, not standardized. Official compensation scheme for European people, 20 euros, 20k euros, nothing for do. Real world complaint risk for IC is mixed, whereas do is mixed to negative. does do offer raw spreads and have trading view integration. All I need is really raw spreads and trading view. They do offer raw spreads and has trading view integration, but there are some details you need to work out. Offers ENC account type, very tight spreads, commissions. Damn it, they're expensive as well. Spreads does offer trading view for charting. This Fisher said to trading preferences. The only issue is I like using IC markets because the markets are very similar to Awanda, so I could do my analysis and trade them directly. Whereas I don't know if these guys are different. IC markets is known in the industry for extremely tight raw spreads on major FX pairs. Yeah. Euro. Huh. So IC markets does have better feed, but the raw spreads are very, very similar. But the standard spreads are better on IC markets, which makes sense. Is there... One second. If your top fear is they won't let me withdraw, IC markets is more safer. Because I'm trying to figure out basically if you got money in there, what can you do if you get screwed in it? They're falling a bit, which I don't mind because it's just a pullback for entries to hold longer. And even if you do get like a massive 10-15% drop, because I've gone small anyway, I could sustain that drop, to be fair, and then just keep scaling back into it. So I'm not too worried, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna roll my stop losses and stuff to wherever is the value for the CPU. That's it. I just want my £600 for my CPU, man. That's all. And if I can make another $650 for the GPU, I'll take it. Other than that, I don't mind. I'm flexible. Maybe pull out each week. Yeah, I can't really match IC markets a leader in this, but I guess if you put $100 in and make a few hundred, take it out each week, it should be okay. Yeah, of course, yeah. I was thinking like long term in it, so like a broker can have you got 50, 200k, 300k, 400k in there. Like a proper big broker in it. Yeah. So I'm just hoping that we're gonna get Asia high bounce on gold. I'm hoping we're gonna just push from here. I don't want to go long on gold because I want to go long on silver. I think silver's gonna give more percent return. We're only up 0.6 right now. I'm waiting for the 3-4%, 5-6% move in it, so I think that is gonna happen. All right, let's go back to chat GPT because I was reading the messages and left to come back to read the chat. Let's compare them on the exact question. If you're a UK client and you're most likely onboarded under the Celix entity, which whatever, clients' funds are segregated, long operations since 2007, very large, well-capitalized broker. But IC Markets operates under them, creates reputable. They are extremely unlikely to block a legitimate 50k withdrawal without solid reason. If IC Markets tried something shady, you'd have paper trails and international regulation escalations. They have a lot to lose. Now, risk of level, they won't let me withdraw, low to moderate. Do prime. Risk of levels, moderate to high. Bro, I'm not even joking. It said the risk of, where was it? Risk of level in brackets, they won't let me withdraw, orange, moderate / higher. Yo, you put me onto some sauce breaker, you know, G. What you doing here? You got shares in there, yeah? Nah, I'm messing around, innit? Okay, so if you put 50k in an account, 50k deposits are very common for IC markets, not common for Do Prime. Large withdrawals are routine for IC markets, sometimes problematic for Do. If they're forced to pay you, IC markets is more likely to pay you. Do Prime isn't. Regulated pressures, strong but indirect, whereas Do is weak. Worst case recovery, difficult but possible for IC markets, but very difficult for Do Prime. The uncomfortable truth is, but important, they're not regulated. No one can guarantee your 50k, but the question becomes, who is least likely to mess around? And the honest answer is IC markets by a clear margin. If capital safety is your number one concern, then go for FCA regulated broker with FSCS protection up to 85k, ombudsman access and real legal enforcement. Acceptable with risk IC markets. Highest risk Do Prime yet. I don't know of any brokers who do raw spreads on trading integration and stuff, man. So yeah. Storm is in Beijing. Oh god, this is gonna be embarrassing. Lols, I only found them from someone else. Yo, who you following, man? Which man are you chatting to, lad?
William, knife man.
I don't. Okay, thank you. Okay. But now we were up 300, now we're up 200, so we've had a nice little correction there.
UK ONS say we plan to introduce improved data and methods for groceries into our consumer price inflation statistics from February 2026.
I'm wondering, should I have entered a couple of cells in there? If you do get a fall off, should I drop a couple of cells in? Sell all the way down here and then go back up.
UK ONS says testing of past changes showed
not
negative 0.03 percentage point change.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal.
Did GBPUSD give a move? Don't say you did. Yeah, they didn't really give a move, that's fine. Have faith in the process, boyos. Have faith in the process. Let's go to M5 and have a look at oh god, GJ is really bad. Look at that. Oh wow, that's horrendous. That's bad. That's bad. What about UJ is holding its ground, isn't it? It's holding its level. Bashy, long time no see. Where you been, bastard?
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I have good news. Oh no, you got funded. Oh no, I passed phase 1 of 5's challenge. Hey, Mubarak. Mubarak. Have I got anything like, yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's there with me. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT. Wow! Beautiful!
Well done, man. I hope you followed your plan and you didn't catch dodgy trades or lucky trades, yeah? If you did, I'm not happy. Thank you. You're welcome, brother. No problems. No problems. Very successful you are, brother. Very successful you are, brother. Also, I recovered all my trading losses in my broker and I'm back to profit now. Yeah. Oh no. Oh shit. I made a mistake. 1 second. Oh damn it. It's not gonna be there, is it? Ah shit. 1 second. To reopen GU on the 2-minute chart, templates, 2-minute chart, slave 5 ACG 10k ACG 5 KP 2 risk limit. Oh wow, they got new stuff. Risk by nominal, risk by equity, risk by lot size. Oh, they've updated the trade copier. Nice, absolutely nice. So the risk on here was there. So this should be 1.9, the 0.5% risk. Yeah, 0.5% risk. Perfect. Done. Because I deleted that by accident like a dot. There. Counts okay. I'm in a really big move on silver. That's kind of the highlight at the moment, is I'm in a quite big move on silver. Other than that, there's nothing really going on. We're all just sat here chilling out, to be fair. We haven't really got much going on, have we, boys? Took all trades with same lot size, captured big moves with small lots. Oh, so you benefited from market conditions. That's okay. Don't expect it to happen all the time. Remember that we have a lot of volume, so just be mindful of that. Blew my account on my break. We may resume next month. Oh, sorry to hear that, dude. It's okay, Mwange, don't worry. Just pray that I get my first 10k payout soon, and then the sooner I get it, the sooner I can buy all of you guys accounts. I want to see if I can buy like a bunch of 50k accounts for you guys, or like 25k accounts for you lot. That'd be cool, man. Yeah, hurry up. This is another reason why I didn't want to have so many viewers. Imagine if you got 100 views, yeah, and they all want 25k cards. Yo, shut up. We'll be mangled. I'll probably do like a few from different companies, like 2-3 from FTMO, 2-3 from Funded Next, 2-3 from like whoever else, and then you lot can all pick. Or I'll raffle the accounts. Oh, I'll do a raffle on it. That'd be good. That'll actually be really good. For me, FTMO, please. Any of them will be good, innit? Any of them will be good, to be fair. Okay, so ViewJ should start creeping down again. CHF, flat. You know what? I'm gonna mark out highs and lows for New York session. I mean, not New York. What's it called, man? Press conference. Oh shit, that was a really big high, wasn't it? Okay. Need to make sure that they don't have interview process and are a good profit. That's what I'm gonna obviously do all the research myself, innit? I don't really trust the judgment of other people in trading, because a lot of people, they just get caught out by like the shiny stuff, innit? So I don't really try to like get into all that stupid stuff, man. Oh, it's a cheap account. Oh, 200k for like $20. They're definitely gonna pay out. Yeah, I don't want to talk to you, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you ain't taking trading seriously. You know what? We can get rid of that to there, because then we're gonna get a 100 and 250 pip move is very likely. We're very likely to get 250 pip move if Jerome Powell says kiss my brown cheeks, or white cheeks, sorry, I forgot he's Caucasian. No racism over here. And then we've got these highs right here. Trump getting a new chairman. I think a couple others do actually. I think ACG does. I think FTMO does interviews as well, but FTMO does them when there's a risk issue. I think that's a bit more than that. There's a problems going on. I think that's when FTMO does them. Like maybe you're over leveraging or something like that. Who else? The point is, anyone can ask you for it, but it seems like QT is always asking for it. So yeah, you probably want to be careful on 100 and something move. Okay, let's get rid of that. We don't need the 1 o'clock one because you're not going to be trading New York. I'll do Asia High because that's a few hundred. That's about 100 and something. No, 80. That's still okay. It's worth doing because yen might move not as much. Okay, so what's going on? Gold and silver. Gold still dropping. Silver, eat my asshole. Bro, why did GBPUSD currency get so strong also with that? They had really good service data, like retail sales. They had really good services, PMI data. That's the main reason. They're looking to do one rate cut in 2026, which is a lot less than most other people. So that obviously helped push it up even more. Dollars obviously going in the toilet. They're the main reasons. Trump's new chairman is the CEO of BlackRock, or the CIO of BlackRock, which is Israeli owned. So he's probably a Jew. And he's gonna start work in May. So we got Powell till May. Apart from QT does interviews. Yeah, FTMO, they can all do interviews, just depends how you trade, innit? Interest rates will be cut. No, I don't think they will. I think they're gonna be held. If they're gonna be cut, I'll be surprised. Dollar will fall a lot more. Depending on how they position themselves with that cut. If it's a safety precaution cut, if it's the economy is doing great, let's just cut for the sake of it, that's fine. It's not gonna drop so much at all. So yeah, I think it's gonna be interesting. But yeah, any prop firm can ask you for interview, mind you, but as long as you're not, doing crazy returns and you're not risking like 4 or 5% and stuff like that, you're doing like 0.5% risk, max 1% risk. Only QT and maybe ACG will ask. Funded next, all these guys won't really ask unless you flag up on their radar for something dodgy. Oh, 5 is my task as well. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. I want silver to push back up again so I can take 0.01 lot off. Because I did 0.03 and I wanted 0.02. So I could have a deeper drawdown. Like when it drops down, I can just layer in more. I'd rather save that 0.01 at a better discount on price to enter in at. So I needed to just go up in profit a bit and then just close 0.01 out. Here I'm up 756 pips on this entry, 495 pips on this entry. I was up like 850. This is on my personal account, so I was up about 65-70% on my account on my personal. I had £480 in the account. I was up 350. So I always do like 100% return. I was like, yo. Yeah, I know. I had the gold longs as well, but then I realized I bought in at 110. So I had 0.02, 0.03, 0.02, and then I had 0.03 on gold, and I was like, wait a second, my margin's too high. So when gold hit break even, I closed out in like £3 profit because I had too much margin. And then when price come back to 110, I closed the trade at 110. And then just kept the 0.2 and the 0.3 in the hopes that you get big move up, drop down, enter in the drop, and then you use some of the margin to push higher and leverage a bit of those profits. Because I'm trying to get the 480 to end the balance of about 1200, which is enough for me to buy CPU and GPU. That's all I really want, to be fair. But I roll stop loss anyway, so if it does keep going down, I'll have enough money to pull the money out the account for the CPU and then just build the computer with the CPU, and I can start like using it and stuff like that. And I just have to order the GPU and the payout occurs, which is 365 years apparently. Assholes. You know what I really need? Ideally, it sounds bad, yeah, but I really need like Israel to attack someone. UR monitor is okay. What do you mean? What do you mean, Mangi? Or do you mean, is your monitor okay? I've got two 1080p 60 Hz rate refresh. They're okay. The speakers are alright on them. But the monitor I want is expensive, bro. It's about £2,000. It's about £2,000 monitor. It's a brand new Philips monitor. It's a Philips U52. This is a brand new monitor. 52 inch. Full size monitor, not like the slim wide. No, I don't think it's curved. The Dell Ultrasharp U52. Oh, it is curved. Yeah, it is curved. Yeah. That's what I want. Yeah, the U52 by Dell. It's meant to be a really... It's 6K monitor. 6K. It's got a better visual... Oh... So it's a 52-inch monitor, 6K resolution. It's got IPS black. It's like a gaming monitor, but good for all use things. 120 Hz refresh rate. It's got good speakers in there, and it's 6K resolution. So that's the monitor I want, and it's about 2,500. Bro, can we long Bitcoin? Bitcoin is so tricky right now. If you wanted to long it, I would wait after FOMC and find out what is the Fed's stance. I wouldn't long it before. There's nothing here to say longing Bitcoin is a good idea. There's nothing to say it's a good idea at all. So I need something to say to me, you know what, that's actually not a bad shout for me to consider it. Does that make sense? Otherwise it's too risky, bro. Otherwise it's just too risky. Should I close at 0.01? Yeah, why not? This gives me a bit more to survive on if I get a deeper drawdown. So yeah, I would wait. I'd wait after FOMC, figure out what the stance is with the Fed. How does that align with Bitcoin? Is it risk on? Is it risk off? If it gives risk on vibes, you can start slowly adding exposure into Bitcoin. If it gives hope and we're falling through the floor. It's approaching a sell area. What is? Oh yeah, you mean the key area here? Yeah, of course. Yeah, look. I love that key area really, like, a lot. If I was gonna short it, I'd want to short it. Let's see how big the SL is. I would try and get in around here and try and squeeze about 2.5 or yeah, something like that. And then try and squeeze 2.5 R. Everyone tried to go along Bitcoin here and Bitcoin here. I was like, it's a bad idea, bro. It's a really bad idea. 88.99. That's a really tight zone. That's a really tight zone. I have to go on the 1 hour. Probably the 1 hour, isn't it? Huh? Where does it? Oh wait, does it not show on the? 1 second. Let's just do big screen on that. Oh shit. Suppose on the 1 hour, yeah, you could I would even say like 90 off the fair value. I hate fair value gaps. Off the fair value gap at 90,200. If you want to be really aggressive, you could do that. I wouldn't, but you definitely could. How does it look on the M1? On M2 in it. Into that supply zone, then dropped. How's the I don't see a problem. I don't really see a problem with the zone that Mwangi said, to be honest, bro. It's not a bad zone. Not a bad zone at all for 1 hour time frame. Anywhere from as he said 89,997 whatever up to about this level here. It was not a bad place to go short. I will go for a long-term sell on Bitcoin. Yeah, if I was going to go for long-term sell, I would need to go long-term sell at least 94. Yeah, about 94. consolidate. 94 is a nice level. I like that. In the middle of this level as well, which I quite like. Let's go back to M15 on gold. So gold literally tagged into the Asia high bounce level. Let's see if it pushes up from here. I'm not sure if it will, but if it does, it'll be good. UJ consolidating, that's expected. GBPCHF. Yeah, 30. I don't know. 35 seems a bit of a fetch to me, bro. On Bitcoin, to be honest, if I was looking at you waiting for a gold trade, I'm thinking about silver only, not really gold, because I think gold's overstretched. I think gold's gonna come down more, and then I want silver to outpace gold, how it has been doing generally. My levels are 63 to 50% down. That's a really good level to get into some long-term buys. 63, and then 40% discount is 74. That's a 40% discount. But I really like the 50% discount at 63k. I think that's a solid level. Like, I think that's a really good level, to be honest, on Bitcoin. Let's see a bit better here. I'm gonna try and catch an M1 entry, bro. If I could catch an M1 entry on Bitcoin, bro, I'm telling you, that would easily be like a $700 trade or an $800 trade, or like something insane. That's one of those trades you can turn a grand into a mil. Or like £100 into like a grand or something. Do shout it out, lol. Yeah. At least do try. Bro, they definitely ain't paying you out. If you catch a sniper, you just hold. Yeah, but this is why I wanted to get my own personal account, because I'm catching snipers all the time, yeah? And I don't see why not, if I can't catch a trade yet at the bottom of the weekly low, if I catch it, if I could just swing it for a few days, 3, 4, 5 days, and because I understand fundamentals, sentiment, stuff like that, I can think to myself, right, okay, is this a swingable position? Like, is there substance behind it to hold that trade in a longer term sort of
ECB's
thing?
Elderson says we need to strengthen banks' resilience to geopolitical shocks and macro financial uncertainties.
So yeah. Push up, man. I'm hovering around that entry level. I needed to push up a bit from here. But there's your zones anyway. 63, 74, 80k, 36, 41, 50. I like between 41 and 50% discount.
/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Yeah, but personal's amazing. But I see why people go wrong on it, because they don't know how to control their psychology. Like, they just risk everything. For example, with me, my mentality is whatever I put in this account, I'm willing to accept I'm going to blow the money. So I'm willing to accept I'm going to blow the 480. Now, I don't want to blow the 480 because I want my CPU, I want my GPU. Okay, we're in profit. And we go on M5. I'm trying to think, is it definitely a good idea to take out 0.001? Or should I hold and let this run? Let's have a look. Let's go on M1. I am gonna take out 0.01. I mean, it just makes sense. To flip $100, one in dope. Yeah, just trade NFP. Just wait for NFP, bro. Just set one buy limit at the bottom. Don't do buy and sell because you get whacked on both sides in it. Just do buy, hit that, and then boom, done. Safe trades, are you done? You ain't doing account flips and safe trades. You're doing it with the risky one. Mate. Spicy like a fajita.
Japan yen 3-month risk reversal hits -1.985, most bullish yen levels since June 2025. Sterling 3-month risk reversals reached -0.04, highest since May 2025. Euro dollar 3-month risk reversal hit 1.238, highest since April 2025.
1-2000 leverage. Brother, we are all out cricket players, hitting sixes all day, every day. Oh my god, that's funny. Well, I should really close off that position now, shouldn't I? Yeah. There. I could have just 0.01 of that. So my profit for today, after commissions, is 17 pence. Big money. Big money.
Kremlin on Ukraine peace talks. This work is underway, but these are very complicated negotiations.
I just want to embarrass the Prime Minister of the UK, man, and just be like, yo, you're an idiot. Where's my rolled stop losses then? 1099. So there's my rolled stop loss. And that's 20%? No, that's about 25%, I think. So about 170 plus 4. How much is it for? Where's the number, man? 40. Yeah, 115. So that's 23% gain. If it tags that, it's okay. I'll pull the money out, get the CPU, build the computer, done. If this keeps going, I'll be happy. Is there anything else I can get? What about Nasdaq and stuff like that? What's going on with Nas? I'm going to toilet. I'll be right back. Yo. But idiot. I need to go and call it. Yeah, that's fine, guy. 2-3 minutes ago, so that's fine. I think gold and silver are going to start pushing up now. I think if you come to the Asia high bounce zone, we've had 2 good candles there. It's gone M30. That's 60,000. 30. Had a good wick on the bottom. We've got 15 minutes left on that candle. I'd like to see something stronger come out of that candle. Nice wick on the bottom there. Nice wick on the bottom there. I don't like the body on the wick on the top though. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, peace out, Wangi. I'll cut the stream. Actually, I'm gonna cut it now. It's 20 past 10 anyway. The trade's there. You lot seen everything. I'm not really took anything on M1. I'm probably not gonna take anything in New York session either. I'm just gonna manage and hold this position and scale into it, and that's about it. I'll just post that in the Discord. So I will see you guys later. Haroon, have a good call. Hit like, all that stuff. Appreciate it. Peace out. I'll keep you updated in Discord. Bye bye. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. If I stream the FOMC, I'll do it in Discord. Peace out.
Welcome to Cast